The skill that went from 0 to 50,000 per month in 2026 and nobody is teaching it. Let's talk about it that there is skill in India right now that pays 30,000 to 80,000 per month that you can learn completely for free in under 60 days and that 95% of people have never heard of. Not coding, not graphic designing, not video editing, not digital marketing, something newer, something that didn't exist in a real career. 3 years ago, the most important part is that the demand for this skill is growing faster than the supply of people who have it, which means the people learning it today are walking into a market with almost zero competition. I'm going to show you exactly what is it, how to learn it for free, and how to get your first paying client even with zero experience. Two twist in the end, stay till end. Video is very interesting and very executive. Hello, I'm Saksham Chok, and before we start, I know what you are thinking is that another skill video, another excreted income claim. So let me be completely upfront: is that the numbers I will share today in this video are totally real. The learning path is real. The opportunity is real, but only for people who actually start after this video. Section one, if I talk about, is that what is the skill? Skill कौन सी है ये? AI workflow automation, also called an AI agent building or AI prompt engineering at advanced level, if we say. Let me explain what this actually means is that because most people hear these words and immediately think that that sounds too technical, this is not for me. Stay with me for 30 seconds because it is not what you think. AI workflow automations means building system that use AI tools to automate repetitive business tasks that humans are currently doing manually. Simple example is that a small business right now has someone manually replying to every customer WhatsApp messages, every Instagram comment, every email inquiry, every product question. That person spends 4 to 5 hours per day just on repetitive communication, and AI workflow automates all of these. One setup runs automatically 24 hour day. The business saves hours, the business saves money, and you, the person who built that workflow, get paid up to 5,000 to 20,000 for one setup and 3,000 to 8,000 per month to maintain it. This is what this skill is. Not rocket science, not complex coding. Build smart automated system using tools that already exist for business that desperately need them. If I talk about the section 2, why this skill right now? Now why this skill is that at the right time is that three mainly reasons are that reason one is that every business need this, not just big companies, the restaurant on your street, the clothing shop near your college, the coaching center in your city, the doctor clinic, the travel agent, the saloon, everyone, every single one of them is needed, is drawing in repetitive tasks that AI can handle automatically, and almost none of them know how to this setup. Reason two is that almost nobody is doing this yet. Unlike coding or design, where the market is saturated with professionals, AI automation specialists in India are rarely exist. There are more job opening for this skill than there are people who have it. That ratio does not last forever. Reason three is that you can learn it for free. Tools like make.com, Anit, and Zapier. I will provide the link of these three apps in description, so check out there. Claude and ChatGPT, which are the foundation of every automation, free to start. YouTube has everything you need. 0 rupees to learn, 0 rupees to start. But here is where twist number one comes: is that the real reason this pays off so much. Most people think this skill pays well because it's technical. It's valid. It's wrong. This skill pays well because of the value it creates, not that difficulty of building it. Let me show you what I mean. That you build an AI workflow for a restaurant that automatically replies to customer inquiries, confirm bookings, send reminders, and follow up after visit. Time for you to build 8 to 12 hours value for the restaurant. They save one employee salaries every month, 15,000 to 25,000 per month saved because of your system. So when you charge 8,000 for setup and 4,000 per month to maintain it, the restaurant is saving more than they are paying you. They will never stop paying you. That is why the skill is paid so much, not because it is too hard to learn, because the value it creates is immediately visible, immediately measurable, and immediately worth more than your fee. When clients can see exactly what they are getting, pricing becomes easy, negotiation become almost non-existent, and long-term clients because the norm of these things. Section 3, if I talk about, is that how to learn it for free. Here is the I will tell you the path to learn 60 days step by step. Week 1 and week 2, that is the foundation of you, is that start with chat gpt and Claude, not just using them casually. Learn prompt engineering properly, how to give AI clear instruction, how to get consistent reliable outputs, how to chain prompts together. Free resource, YouTube, search prompt engineering basics. 2 weeks of daily practice, 1 hour per day. what you will do in week 3 and 4 is that automation tools. Learn make.com, start with their free plan, watch their official tutorial completely free on YouTube. Build three small automation projects for practice and post it on LinkedIn. That is a higher chance of getting a clients or your jobs. What you will do in week 5 and 6 is that AI integration. Learn how to connect AI tools, Claude and ChatGPT. Basically, I'm talking about the connectors in ChatGPT and Claude inside your make.com workflows. This is where the magic happens. This is where basic automations become intelligent automation, and this is the combination that almost nobody in India has right now. 60 days, 1 hour per day, free resource only. By at the day 60 you will have more practical AI automation knowledge than 95% of people in Indian job market. Let's talk about the twist too, how to get first client with zero experience. And this is the one more then this is the one most videos never tell you, is that you do not need a portfolio to get your first client. You don't need any website, you don't need any testimonials, you don't need years of experience. Here is what you can do instead of it: that pick one local business in your city, study their business for 30 minutes, identify one specific repetitive problem they have: customer inquiries, appointment booking, follow-ups, social media. Build a small demo, a working mini automation that solves that one specific problems. Take you to 2 to 3 hours. Walk into the business, show the owner the demo live. Say you will say that I will build a specifically for your business. It saves your X hours per week. I can set up the full system for 5,000. You are not selling a service, you are giving a solution. That is the difference of it. That and when someone sees their specific problem already half solved in front of their eyes, saying yes become the easiest decision they make that week. This approach got the first client for every AI automation specialist I have spoken to or read about it, that it will work for you. If I talk about the section 4 is that realistic income timeline, because honest number build more trust than excreted claims. Month 1 and 2 learning phases that focus entirely on learning, maybe build one or two free projects for practice, income 0 to minimal. Month 3 is that first client, using that demo approach I showed you. First project 3,000 to 8,000. Month 4 and 5, building momentum, 2 to 3 clients, mixing of setup fees and monthly maintenance. Income will be 10,000 to 25,000 per month. Month 6 is that compounding, happy clients refer you to others. Your income improve, your charge more, your review will gain, you work faster, you take on more clients. Income 30,000 to 80,000 per month. This is not an overnight success, this is a 6 month of complete plan I have given you. You will either have started this or you will still be watching videos wondering what to do. The 6 months will pass either way. The most let's we get to this end of this video, is that every major skill that pays well today was once something nobody knew about. Digital marketing, app development, content creation, video editing. At some point these days were brand new. The people who learned them early before the market was crowded built careers and incomes, get the highest reviews. They are just undescribable at this moment. AI workflow automation is that exact moment right now. The window is open, the market is empty, the demand is growing every single week, every single day. The question is not that is this is a real opportunity. It is now, but it will not stay forever after 2 3 years. The question is that will you be the one of the people who takes it, or will you watch someone else do it 6 months from now and wish you had started today? Start today. Drop a comment below. Are you going to try this skill? What is stopping you right now? Tell me. I reply to every single comment. Share this with anyone you know who is looking for this next income opportunity. Subscribe. Next week we will go even deeper. See you there. Thank you so much.